6 reasons why you should invest in landed properties. Number 1, stable appreciation. Landed properties have shown stable appreciation over time, thereby making them a reliable long-term investment. Number 2, growing population. With a rapidly growing population, there's an increasing demand for housing, which translates to a higher potential for property value appreciation. Number 3, diversification. Investing in landed property provides a tangible and stable asset, thereby allowing you to diversify your investment portfolio. Number 4, rental income potential. Owning a landed property allows you to generate income through leasing or renting, providing a consistent cash flow and return on investment. Number 5 is a chance to build capital. Of course, the big goal of real estate investing is to increase your cash, otherwise known as building capital. When you invest in a property and it rises in value, it's going to obviously increase your capital. The key here is to invest in a property that will rise in value. And of course, it's my job to show you those properties.
Kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell.
Number 6, security of investments. Real estate is considered a tangible and secure asset, offering a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties compared to more volatile investment options. My name is Deborah Wankoye, exceptional Southeast-based realtor. I am eager to make sure that you become an informed buyer in any of your real estate process. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.